Model 1990 Ford Transit Bonus Auto Sleeper Flair starts runs needs easy repair no VAT. Body white camper. Mileage 68,038. Engine 1993 cc. Transmission 5-speed manual. Mechanical summary starts great. Runs with a misfire. Burning oil slightly. Possible valve stem seals should be a simple repair either way. Very basic petrol engine grin. Condition summary. Bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear camping area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest camper van. Features, part service history, fully fitted camper, bed, fridge, hob, sink, wind-up windows. Euro status, Euro. HPI, clear. Contact us, 01564334664. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401